Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to publish a Fiverr gig without needing to take a test. If you've been hesitant about creating your first gig because you thought there was some kind of exam involved, I've got good news for you. Let's clear this up and get your gig live. First, open your web browser and head over to fiverr.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Now, here's something really important to understand before we move forward. You can't fully bypass Fiverr's requirements, but here's the thing. You usually don't need to take any test to publish a gig. Fiverr doesn't require a test to publish most gigs. What they do require is that you complete all the necessary sections in your gig setup. So as long as you fill everything out properly, you're good to go. Once you're logged in, look at the top menu and click on My Business. From the drop-down that appears, select Gigs. This will take you to your gig management area where you can view, edit, or create new gigs. In the right panel, you'll see a button that says Create a New Gig. Click on that to get started. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your gig title. Make sure this is clear and accurately describes what you're offering, as this is what potential buyers will see first. Next, you'll need to select your category. Click the drop-down menu and choose the category that best fits your service. Right beside that first drop-down, you'll see another menu for your subcategory. Click on it and select the most appropriate subcategory for your gig. After that, you'll move on to selecting your service type. This helps Fiverr understand exactly what kind of service you're providing. Then, select your gig metadata type from the available options. This adds more specificity to your gig and helps it appear in the right searches. You'll also need to select the tool you use or that relates to your service, if applicable. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Search Tags. In the designated field, type in relevant keywords that describe your service, then press Enter after each one. These tags are crucial because they help buyers find your gig when they search on Fiverr. Once you've added your tags, click Save and continue to move to the next section. From here, just continue filling out all the required information. Fiverr will guide you through pricing, delivery time, descriptions, and requirements. Take your time with each section to ensure everything is complete and accurate. Once you've worked through all the sections and reached the Publish area, you'll see a button that says Publish Gig. Click on it, and your gig will go live on Fiverr. And that's it. You've successfully published your Fiverr gig without taking any test. The key is simply completing all the required fields thoroughly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.